In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download apps from Google Play Store on Windows. First, let's talk about the limitation we face. You can't install the Google Play Store directly on Windows because Google doesn't provide an official Play Store app for Windows PCs. This may seem like a hurdle, but there is a straightforward solution that allows you to access Google Play apps. The easiest method is to use an Android emulator, and one of the most popular options is BlueStacks. This tool creates a virtual Android environment on your Windows PC, letting you download and run apps as if you were on an Android device. Now that you know the basics, the first step is to download and install BlueStacks on your Windows PC. To do this, head to the official BlueStacks website. You will see a prominent download button. Click it and wait for the installer to download. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and ensure you allow any required permissions. This is important because it ensures that BlueStacks functions correctly on your system. After a few moments, BlueStacks should be installed and you will see an icon on your desktop. Once that is done, launch BlueStacks by double-clicking the icon on your desktop. The first time you open BlueStacks, it may take a little longer to start up as it sets up its environment. You will see a welcome screen that guides you through the initial setup. This part is crucial because it prepares the emulator for your use. After a brief loading period, you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Remember, signing in allows you to access the Google Play Store and sync your apps across devices. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one directly from this screen. Now, after you've signed in with your Google account, you will find yourself on the BlueStacks home screen. From here, look for the Google Play Store icon. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Play Store icon to open it. You will see a familiar interface similar to what you would find on an Android device. This part is important because it gives you access to millions of apps available on the Google Play Store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and categories available. Next up, it's time to search for the app you want to install. You can do this by typing the app's name into the search bar at the top of the screen. As you type, suggestions may appear below. This feature helps you find what you're looking for quickly. Once you find the app you want, click on it to go to its page. This page will provide you with details about the app, including its ratings, reviews, and screenshots. This ensures that you are making an informed decision before proceeding. After reviewing the app's details, click the Install button. This action will initiate the download and installation process. You will see a progress bar indicating the status of the installation. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a notification. You can now click Open to start using the app right away. This makes sure your changes are saved and you can begin exploring the app's features immediately. As a final note, remember there is no official Google Play Store application for Windows. Avoid downloading Google Play Store for Windows installers from third-party websites as they are not provided by Google and may be unsafe. If you only want to use Android games, you can also use Google Play Games on PC, which officially supports a growing selection of Android games on Windows. This method ensures you have a safe and effective way to enjoy your favorite apps on your Windows PC.